The initial tightening electric shear wrench SSN-5T is used for initial tightening torsion shear type high-strength bolts. How to adjust the torque value of torsional shear bolts wrench. One is slow adjustment and the other is fast adjustment. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the torque. And turn the knob counterclockwise to reduce torque. Press confirm key for quick adjustment. Long press to increase quickly. Release and then long press again to quickly decrease. Next we do a demonstration. First turn on the switch. Turn the knob counterclockwise to decrease the torque value and clockwise to increase the torque value. Let's demonstrate the quick adjustment. Press the confirm button. Long press to increase quickly. And press and hold again to quickly decrease.